Ever feel like you're constantly bombarded with financial advice that sounds, well, out of touch? Fancy investment jargon, sky-high minimums, a constant push towards risky plays, it's enough to make anyone feel like building wealth is only for the privileged few. But what if I told you there's a different way? A way that focuses on making smart, automated investing accessible to everyone, regardless of income level or financial expertise. That's the promise behind Betterment, a robo-advisor platform taking the investing world by storm. So, is Betterment only for a specific type of investor? Let's dive in and explore who can truly benefit from this innovative approach to managing your money. First things first, the robo-advisor revolution. Before we delve into Betterment specifically, let's talk about the robo-advisor revolution. Traditional investment advisors have long been the gatekeepers to financial success. But with hefty fees and often inaccessible minimum investment requirements, this approach left many out in the cold. Enter robo-advisors. These online platforms use sophisticated algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. They handle the rebalancing, tax optimization, and day-to-day management, all for a fraction of the cost of a traditional advisor. Is Betterment right for you? Here's the breakdown. Now, back to Betterment. While the platform boasts a user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies, it's not necessarily a one-size-fits-all solution. Here's who might find Betterment particularly helpful. The investing newbie, feeling overwhelmed by the stock market? Betterment takes the guesswork out of investing. You answer a few simple questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the platform builds a diversified portfolio aligned with your needs. No need to decipher complex charts or pick individual stocks. Betterment handles the heavy lifting. The busy professional, life gets hectic. Between work, family, and social obligations, carving out time to actively manage your investments can feel impossible. Betterment automates the process, freeing you up to focus on other priorities while your money grows in the background. The cost-conscious investor, traditional financial advisors often charge fees that eat into your returns. Betterment's fees are significantly lower, making it a great option for those who want to maximize their investment growth. Plus, Betterment offers a tiered fee structure, so you only pay as your account grows. Beyond the basics, who might want to look elsewhere? While Betterment offers a compelling solution for many, there are some situations where a different approach might be more suitable. Here are a few things to consider. The active investor, do you enjoy the thrill of picking stocks and managing your portfolio yourself? Betterment might feel too automated for your taste. While it offers some customization options, it doesn't give you complete control over your investments. The high net worth individual, if you have a significant amount of wealth, you might require more specialized financial planning and tax strategies than Betterment can offer. In these cases, a traditional advisor with experience catering to high net worth clients could be a better fit. The complex financial situation. Do you have a unique financial situation with specific needs, such as estate planning or complex tax considerations? While Betterment can handle general investment management, it might not be the best choice for addressing highly complex situations. The bottom line, Betterment can be a powerful tool. Whether Betterment is the perfect fit for you depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. However, for a wide range of investors, it offers a powerful and accessible way to build wealth. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Betterment can be a fantastic starting point for your investing journey, but ultimately, the best approach is the one that aligns with your specific needs and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.